Welcome to Aroopa Apps, your low-code no-code platform empowers businesses of all types to easily build applications. Hi, I'm Esmeralda, your onboarding specialist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create opportunity in Aroopa CRM. The CRM menu in Aroopa Apps doesn't just help you generate leads, it empowers you to turn those leads into meaningful opportunities. By tracking opportunities directly within the app, you can stay on top of every potential deal, no matter how big or small. Here's how it works. Every lead becomes a trackable opportunity, complete with stages that help you monitor progress and identify what's needed to close the deal. You'll always know where each opportunity stands, what actions are required, and who's responsible, giving you total control and clarity. And the best part? Tracking opportunities within Aroopa App CRM menu ensures you maintain a professional and consistent approach. Whether it's a single follow-up email or a series of meetings, everything is logged, making it easier to deliver a personalized and timely experience for your customers. So let's begin. Either sign in or sign up into Aroopa Apps. Log in using your credentials. First, I will demonstrate how to create an opportunity directly using the CRM opportunity tool. Following that, I will guide you through the process of converting leads into opportunities. To create and manage opportunities in the system, begin by opening the dashboard menu and navigating to the CRM section. From there, select Opportunities. To create new opportunities, click on Create Opportunities, which will open the default form. This form includes pre-configured fields that are carefully designed to capture essential details for each opportunity. These fields are user-friendly and ensure that all necessary information is collected efficiently. If additional customized information is required for your opportunity, the form can be tailored to meet specific needs. To customize the form, scroll to the top of the page and click Switch to Designer. This option takes you to a design page equipped with tools to modify the form. Add any desired fields, and once finished, click Save to update the default form. I will now fill out a demo opportunity form. You can use the title field to input a descriptive title that identifies the opportunity's purpose or nature. The status field can be customized based on your requirements. I will demonstrate how to create a status to help categorize opportunities and determine next steps. After completing the form, click Save. Once saved, the opportunity details will appear automatically on the opportunity page. To custom status as mentioned earlier, click the Settings button at the top of the page, then select Status. Click Add Status, enter a name for the status, and choose font and background colors to distinguish it from others. Once completed, click Create. All Create statuses will be listed here. And within the general settings, you can assign a default status. For instance, I've set the default status to New, so every newly created opportunity is assigned this status automatically. Similarly, I've set the default completed status to Closed. You can use filters on the opportunities page to locate specific opportunities. For more advanced filtering, custom filters can be created by clicking the plus button. There are two viewing options available: Grid View, which we are currently using, and Kanban View. To switch, click on Kanban and select the category you wish to display in the Kanban view. For this example, I will choose Status. In the Kanban view, all opportunities are grouped by their assigned status. You can easily move opportunities from one status to another by dragging and dropping them into the desired column. If you've collected opportunity data from an event, tech summit, or exhibition, you can import this data into the system. To do this, click the Import button, download the provided template, fill in the details, upload the file, and save it. The system will automatically map the data to the correct fields, ensuring accurate record keeping. You can update multiple opportunities at once by selecting the opportunities you wish to modify and clicking the Update Opportunities button at the top. From the Assign To field, You can designate the person to whom the opportunities should be assigned. Additionally, you can update the status and process directly from this interface. To view the details of an opportunity, click View. Use the Reminder feature to set follow ups, tasks, or actions to ensure no opportunities are missed. The Timeline button provides a complete history of all actions related to the opportunity, such as creation and updates. If you need to make changes to an opportunity, click Edit to modify or add information. Next, I will demonstrate how to convert leads into opportunities. Start by opening the dashboard menu, navigating to the CRM section, and selecting leads. When a lead is ready to be converted into an opportunity, it is essential to ensure that the company name and contact details are updated beforehand. To do this, click on the lead you wish to convert, then click the Edit button at the top of the page and update all necessary information. Once the details are verified and complete, return to the lead and click the Convert to Opportunity button at the top of the page. After this conversion, the lead will automatically be removed from the Leads page and will appear on the Opportunities page, ensuring a seamless transition in the system. This workflow ensures efficient opportunity management, tracking, and customization to meet your specific requirements. Thank you for watching our video on how to create opportunities in Aroopa apps. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos on using different tools in Aroopa apps to make your business grow. For further information, please reach out to hello@aroopapps.com. Thank you.